Hi guys, welcome to Dorothy Marie Vlogs. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now. So for today's video, we will be having another tutorial on how to withdraw SHOPBACK cashback earnings. So let's go to the SHOPBACK app. Sa nakikita nyo, we have 487.59 pesos. So let's check the cashback overview. So, ang available lang ay 478.87 pesos. And as you can see, wala pa tayong history sa withdrawal. May pending tayong 8.72 pesos. So, after 1 to 3 months ay ma-approve na itong pending na ito at pwede nang i-withdraw. Pero, minimum of 200 pesos before ma-withdraw yung earning. So, verification needed for withdrawal. So, you need to verify your mobile number and your email para maka-withdraw. So, let's verify my email address kasi verify na po yung mobile number ko. And to verify your mobile number, just click the verify mobile number and then may OTP na isi-send sa mobile number nyo and i-type nyo lang yun. To verify email naman, ito siya. So, yung email na ito is yung gamit ko sa account ko. So, kukunin lang natin yung OTP code na sinend sa email ko. So, fully verified na po siya. So, let's just fill in the basic info. Afterwards, pwede na tayong mag-proceed sa payment. So, dahil ayokong maging as load yung earnings ko, dahil hindi ko naman kailangan ng load, ay mag-a-add ako ng bank or e-wallet. Kaya, to e-wallet transfer ang gagamitin ko. And, isa-select ko yung PayPal. Pwede din GCash. So, ayokong GCash kasi mas madali siyang magamit. Gusto ko kasing ipunin itong pera na to. Kaya, sa PayPal ko ilalagay. So, sa mga nagtatanong kung pwede ba ibang PayPal account, yes po, pwede. So, gagamitin ko yung isang PayPal account ko na hindi the same email sa account ko sa SHOPBACK app. So, before clicking Add Payment button, recheck the provided details. So, yun na po. Hindi pa verified yung PayPal account ko, kaya i-verify muna natin. So, I will check my email. Ayun na po yung email. So, i-click ko lang yung Verify Details. So, through this, ma-verify yung account na nilagay ko sa PayPal. So, pwede kayong mag-login kung i-redirect kayo sa ibang page. Pwede ring hindi na mag-login. Basta na-click nyo na yung Verify Details, especially if naka-laptop kayo or PC or notebook. So, okay na po yun. So, okay nang bumalik sa app kasi automatic na yun na ma-verify. So, verified na yung PayPal. And let's click it. And input the withdrawal amount. So, ang minimum required is 200 po. And yung i-withdraw natin is yung available, total available. Pwede rin pong i-withdraw ang naka-sends. So, for now, I will withdraw 478.87 pesos. Before clicking the withdraw button, please recheck the given details. So, may code na naman pong isend sa mobile number nyo at i-input nyo lang po yun. So please wait while your request is being processed. So let's view withdrawal history. So as you can see, yung available is 0.00 na at yung withdrawn is 478.87 pesos na. Kahit hindi pa na-receive sa PayPal ko, may lalagay na siya sa section na withdrawn kasi nag-order na ako na i-withdraw siya. So let's check the details, and it is said that processed within 3 to 5 working days, and the estimated date of transfer is on September 8, 2021. So let's check. And nag-email na. So e-commerce enablers PTE Ltd has sent you 478.87 pesos. So ito po siya. So, galing po talaga sa SHOPBACK. And for proof pa din, i-check natin siya sa PayPal app. Sa SHOPBACK app, processing pa rin yung status niya. So, sa PayPal balance ko po, ito na po yung nakita ko rin with other survey apps. So, let's check the history of my PayPal. And ayun po yung 478.87 pesos from the SHOPBACK CASHBACK app. I hope that I was able to help you in withdrawing your earnings. Thank you for watching, and please support me by liking and subscribing to this channel, Dorothy Marie Vlog. See you on the next tutorial. Goodbye!